Hey guys, this is T with Tarla Makaeff.com. I just wanted to leave you a video to kind of describe to you my experience in totality now for EMDR, which stands for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. So, hello, is it Encore? So you will probably remember that I went through this specialized therapy for the loss of my mom because I was grieving her death, and it was very, very difficult experience for me, as it would be for anyone losing their parent. I was especially struggling. It's been 4 years now since her death. Hey Lori. So this therapy was really pivotal for me, and I just finished my last session, so I'm very happy. Now, you can do EMDR for different things in your life. If you have multiple issues, you finish for one issue and then you start over again for another issue. But I believe it was about a dozen sessions. Thanks, Encore. This is a marketplace in the Marina del Rey in California, Los Angeles. So nice little shopping area, yeah. But anyway, I think I did about a dozen sessions. My therapist was going to give me the number, so I can't give you the exact number, maybe 15 at the most, because we did talk therapy sessions in between. But essentially, if you don't know what EMDR is, it's basically a way of kind of reprogramming your brain. Almost think of your brain as a computer. And you know, when your computer has a virus, how your computer doesn't work properly. It's the same thing when our thoughts are not properly processed, when we have a moment of trauma, and it was that moment is like frozen in time, so it's not processed properly. So in order to process it properly, you go to EMDR therapy and they help you work through that. But it's completely different than talk therapy. I've described in depth in other videos about EMDR, so I just wanted to let you know. The reason I'm doing this video is that I found it very successful, and it's something that I would definitely recommend to other people. I'm very happy with the results. I wouldn't say that it's completely gone, that I'm never gonna have grief about my mom again. I'm sure when holidays come around it's gonna be difficult, but I've let go of that quite a bit compared to where I was when I started. And this is all in a matter of a few months. So this is not 5 years of therapy. This is a very short amount of time where I made so much progress in comparison to regular talk therapy, where I wasn't getting those kind of results. So I do recommend, if you have been struggling with any kind of major issue, it has to be an issue of trauma in your life, and you haven't been able to resolve it, that you find an EMDR therapist. They're far and few between. There aren't tons of them, and I live in Los Angeles. But you find an EMDR therapist who can work with you, because I really feel like this is where you're going to get really great results when it comes to therapy. I just wanted to put this quick video to let you know it was a success. I would recommend it wholeheartedly. And I feel like I'm at a really good place now. Of course, it could always be 100%, and it's not. Like, I haven't let go of everything completely, but basically they rate you on a scale. They ask you to tell them how you're feeling, and on a scale of 1 to 10 with one question and 1 to 7 with the other. And I was basically right at the cusp on both of them in terms of everything being completely almost healed. So I feel good about it. And now I'm going back for another issue, another big thing that happened in my life that is not as important as my mom, but was also something that I need to get some healing for. So if you have any kind of, like I said, mental struggles with issues that you've had in your life that are big, and again, they have to be trauma type issues. So major issues, not just like upsets, I would suggest that you try EMDR. Again, stands for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. It's because the therapist is doing this while you're following her fingers, and she's talking to you, and she's making you recall memories and images, and kind of that back and forth with your eyesight. It affects your brain in a very interesting way, and it helps you heal. It's really hard to explain. I don't even think I could properly explain it to you. So I would just encourage you to do more research on it, and just wanted to let you know that it was a great experience, and I would definitely recommend it for anybody who's struggling. And that's it. So this is a super short video. I don't want to get into all the specifics again, but It's something that is the most powerful form of therapy in my opinion. There's also CBT therapy, which stands for cognitive behavioral therapy, which is supposed to be effective, but this is like cream of the crop. No one ever told me about it, which is why I'm doing these videos. I never even knew that it existed. I didn't even know what EMDR therapy was, and now I know. And now I know really honestly through my own research, through my own desire to kind of like fix this problem and research and study, and I would never ever have known if I didn't look into it further. So I'm sure you've probably never heard of it, and if you have, then just definitely take advantage of it, because I know it can help you. So I hope you have a blessed day. That's all I wanted to share with you today. I gotta grab lunch, and I'll chat with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.